Today, I'm going to show you how to make money on Autopilot by creating valuable, long-lasting content. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, or other types of content. Once you build something that keeps delivering value over time, you can earn money while you sleep. It sounds too good to be true, right? But it's possible. In this video, we'll explore how to set up content that works for you 24/7, creating streams of passive income that can last for years. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for more tips on building your wealth. 1. Why long-lasting content is key to making money on Autopilot. When we talk about making money on Autopilot, we're referring to creating content that continues to attract traffic, engage audiences, and generate income long after you've created it. The beauty of long-lasting content, whether it's an article, a YouTube video, or a podcast, is that it can work for you over and over again, even when you're not actively working on it. This type of content stays relevant, attracts search traffic, and provides value to new audiences continuously. As long as your content addresses a common problem, need, or interest, it will keep drawing in views or clicks long into the future. This is how content creators and entrepreneurs can generate passive income from content they create once. 2. Choosing the right content platforms for longevity. Not all content is created equal, especially when it comes to earning on Autopilot. Some platforms offer more opportunities for long-term success, while others might only work in the short term. Let's look at a few of the best platforms for creating long-lasting content. Blogs. Starting a blog might take time to grow, but once you build an audience and start ranking on Google, your content can continue driving traffic and income through ads, sponsorships, or product sales. YouTube. Videos on YouTube have a long shelf life. If you create a video on a trending or evergreen topic, it can continue to accumulate views and ad revenue long after it's uploaded. Plus, YouTube offers opportunities for brand sponsorships and monetization through super chats or channel memberships. Podcasts. Similar to YouTube videos, podcasts can continue gaining listeners and sponsors even after they've been published. Once you build a steady listener base, monetization becomes a more consistent stream of passive income. 3. Creating content that provides real value. The key to long-lasting content is that it must provide value. Whether it's solving a problem, answering a question, or teaching something new, your content should be useful and worth sharing. Here's how to approach creating content that will stand the test of time. Solve common problems. Content that helps people solve everyday issues, like how to budget, how to get better sleep, or how to improve fitness, will continue to be relevant and sought after. Teach valuable skills. Tutorials, how-tos, and educational content are excellent for creating long-lasting materials. The more practical and valuable the information, the more likely it is that people will return to it. Leverage. Evergreen topics. Evergreen content. Content that doesn't become outdated, keeps generating views, clicks, and shares. Think of topics like how to make money online, personal finance basics, or ways to boost productivity. 4. Monetization. How to turn content into revenue. Now, let's talk about how to turn your valuable content into revenue streams. The beauty of long-lasting content is that it opens up multiple channels for earning ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, and podcasts can generate money from ad revenue. The more traffic or views your content gets, the more ads you'll display, and the more income you'll earn. Brand sponsorships. As your content grows in popularity, brands may reach out to you for paid collaborations. This could include sponsored blog posts, YouTube videos, or podcast episodes. The key is building an audience that brands want to reach. Selling physical products. Once you build an audience, you can sell physical products related to your content. For example, if you're a YouTube content creator, you might sell branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or hats. If you have a blog or podcast about fitness, you could create and sell workout gear or accessories. Subscription services. Another great way to earn on Autopilot is by setting up subscription-based services. Platforms like Patreon allow creators to offer exclusive content to subscribers in exchange for a monthly fee. This works well for YouTubers, podcasters, and bloggers who want to offer premium content. 5. SEO and content optimization. Let your content work for you. One of the biggest advantages of long-lasting content is the ability to use SEO, search engine optimization, to drive free traffic. By optimizing your blog posts, YouTube videos, and other content for search engines, your material can rank highly in search results for years. For blogs, make sure your blog is optimized for SEO by including targeted keywords, writing compelling meta descriptions, and creating high-quality, shareable content. This will help your articles show up on Google's search results. For YouTube, YouTube videos can be optimized by using keywords in the title, description, and tags. A well-optimized video can continue getting views long after it's been uploaded. 6. The power of repurposing content. Creating new content all the time can be exhausting, but repurposing content can give your old posts or videos new life and continue to generate income. Here are a few ways to repurpose. Convert blog posts into podcasts. If you've written a successful blog post, consider turning it into a podcast episode. This allows you to tap into an entirely new audience who prefers listening to content instead of reading. Repurpose blog content into YouTube videos. Take a popular blog post and turn it into a video. Then cross-promote it to drive more traffic to both platforms. Turn video content into social media posts. Clip portions of your YouTube videos and post them on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook to drive more viewers back to your channel. Creating valuable, long-lasting content is one of the best ways to make money on Autopilot in 2025. Whether you're blogging, making YouTube videos, or starting a podcast, the key is consistency, patience, and a focus on providing real value. Once you get the ball rolling, your content can continue to work for you day and night. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for more tips on building passive income. Thanks for watching.